What's your favorite TV show, Ryan?
Oh, probably My Crazy Life.
Really? What's it about?
Well, it's a drama about a group of friends. It has a lot of romance.
Huh, I've never seen it. Who's in it?
Max Fox and Lindsay Jones.
Oh, Max is one of my favorite actors. When is it on?
It's on Thursdays at 9, or you can watch it online.
Do you play any sports, Nick?
Yes, I love playing sports, but my favorite sport is volleyball.
Really? Are you on a team?
Yeah, I am. It's a lot of fun.
How often do you play?
Oh, about twice a week. So, how about you? Do you play sports?
Well, it depends. Do you think playing video games is a sport?
I'm not sure about that.